Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, sorry, voice is scratchy, all the things, go ahead and continue to watch this video and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I need to get something on the lips. I'm still trying to decide what palette I want to use. This is what I'm going to call the Use What You Love series. So basically, if you still have it in your collection, you haven't decluttered it, you probably love it, and you should use it. So that's what we're doing. I'm going to start off with the NYX Duck Plump Plumping Lip Liner in the shade Flirty Flip. If you guys have been here for a minute, you know I absolutely adore these lippies, or these lip liners. I do wish that they had some more like red shades. Also, speaking of NYX, I've been saying forever they need some buttermelt highlighters, and I don't remember who shared it, but they're coming, you guys. The buttermelt highlighters are coming. Be on alert. I cannot wait. I need some of those in my life. All right. And this is the NYX Lip IV Hydrating Gloss Serum in the shade Ready, Set, Wet. I absolutely love these glosses. All right. So I hope you guys are cool with me using some older palettes. Because again, money, bills, finances, I know we're all going through it. So I think it is really important to use what we love and just don't bankrupt yourself for makeup. It's not worth it. So I think I'm going to use the Blend Bunny Longing palette. This palette is so beautiful. It's just gorgeous. And I've only used it a couple times and I'm like, why? I mean, look at that. Look at that. That's absolutely gorgeous. So again, use what you love. So let's do maybe like a silverish eye and then maybe like a greenish, purplish. I don't know. Let's just try it. Let's see what happens. You know, sometimes I get these ideas in my head and then other things happen and what I think I'm going for ends up being completely different. I need to move some stuff off my table. I really need to clean my table. Okay. So let's start with let's start with the shade. I kind of want to do like a purple silver. So let's start with the shade Take Me Back, which is this shade right here. Alright, you guys, so how are you doing? I'm currently running super duper duper late. Go hang out with my BFF. And just hopefully have a good night because I really need it. I just need some good in my life. I don't know. I thought things were good, but then like things happen and it's like I don't know anymore. I don't know. Life is a lot for me and this whole year has just been rough. All right, now I want to take the shade, let's take Dear Diary, which is right here. And I just want to blend it out with that shade. I want to take the shade Pleading right here, and I'm just going to put that on the lower lash line. Alright, you guys, so I think my channel's finally starting to grow again. It was dead for quite some time. I was like really getting worried. But YouTube does that, man. It is a roller coaster. You'll be doing so well, and all of a sudden it's like nothing. Nothing. And then you grow again a little bit, and then nothing. Let's go with the shade Heartbreak to deepen out that outer portion of the lid. But yeah, it is a journey. It is a journey. It's not easy. I mean, if you got it and you're one of those people, and I've always said this, like some people just have that it factor. I don't have that. I don't have that. It takes a while for me to grow on people and to finally get my name out there. And there are some people that just hit it and they are just like amazing and awesome and talented. Again, that's not me. That's not me. I try, but it's just not me. But yeah, so if you're kind of more like me, it's going to be a long haul, but that's okay. I'm enjoying what I'm doing. That's the most important thing. This gives me something to look forward to. I met some of the most incredible people through this channel. And that is honestly probably the most important thing about all of this. All right. Now I'm going to take... Trying to decide. Oh, that's such a good one. Okay. Let's go with Love Letters. We're going to put that on first. I forgot about the flip to this shade. Absolutely stunning. This is one of the best palettes that Blend Bunny has made. It is just so good. That shade. All right, now I'm going to take When It Rains, which is the shade right here, and just kind of put that like in the center. It's giving like ocean vibes. I love that so much. All right. Starting to get a little stressed out because I'm running so late. I need to text my BFF and be like, surprise, I'm running late. I cannot get my crap together. All right, now I'm going to go in with the shade Remember, and that's going to be the lower inner corner highlight. Okay, now let's get that other eye started. I just totally need to get my crap together. Let's start with Sorrow. Let's just start with that. Okay, yeah, that was a good choice. That's a good, just right shade. Okay. Now we need to find that brush that I used a minute ago, and I need to blend that shade out. And I think we're gonna use whoa, because it's just so freaking beautiful. Oh, so pretty. Oh, so pretty. Yes, the bangs need trimmed again. They are just out of control. Growing like crazy. So hopefully in the next 2 weeks that'll happen. All right, now I'm gonna take the shade. Let's do Unrequited, and that's what we're gonna deepen the outer corner with. Now, I'm gonna go with the shade Bittersweet, and that's gonna be the lower lash line shade. I think. Is that too deep though? Let's go for it. Let's just lightly put it down there. All right. Not too bad. Not too bad. Now some glitter glue. All right, you guys, do you have this palette? If you do you love it? How often do you use it? Are you kind of on a love what you, or use what you love journey? Love what you use? All right, I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Remorse now. Ooh, that's pretty, 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 pretty. I really like that. It's very deep, dark, and just beautiful. Okay, now I need to put something in the center. So I think I'm gonna go with If Only, because this is like really, really, really pretty too, and I feel like that'd just be a cool twist to it. So here is If Only. And now for the lower inner corner highlight, I think I'm gonna go with All That's Left, which is that shade right there. Got a hair on my brush. All right, just put a little bit more of that. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go do a little eyeliner, mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I need a highlighter. Let's just go with the Glam Light Chucky highlighter. Just because it's right here and I'm running late and I need to get my crap together. Right. If you know, you know. Oh, so good. So good. Let's do a little final look-see. I love it. It's fun. It's colorful. The shades in this palette are absolutely phenomenal. It's the Blend Bunny Longing palette. Oh, just take a look at that. Just admire it in all of its beauty. It is stunning, gorgeous. I love it. I love it. So, that is it for today. If you've made it this far, continue sticking around, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. It just helps me out with the algorithm. Comment anything down below. Did you like the looks I created? Are you a Blend Bunny fan? Is there any other brand that you are absolutely loving? Just let me know all the things down below. Remember that you're beautiful, loved, and amazing. Have a wonderful evening, morning, night, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. I'm so off on my game, you guys. And I'll see y'all in the next one.